Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. We are on the beautiful Phi Phi Island. I'm right now at the Tonsai Pier. So I'm going to go around the island and let's check out the shops and everything that's on the island. So we'll check out as much as we can. So let's go guys. So guys, we're at the Tonsai Pier. And over here, let's enter into Phi Phi Island. The first thing that you have here is Burger King. So over here is lots of people getting off the boat who have just arrived, and they have like lots of boat people over here that give you all the offers and tours and everything. Over here you can take a taxi boat from here. These are all taxi drivers, but instead of being taxi, they are taxi boats. So these are all the shops here. The moment you reach here, the first supermarket that you have is 7-Eleven. So if you want to get some water or something, this is where to come. So here we have the Gopros Shop. They have all the GoPro equipment or whatever, and you could just lots of these nice restaurants here which overlook the sea. So you can get some paintings here if you want. You can buy paintings, you can buy some accessories here. So they have good breakfast places. This is a really nice place to come and check it out. And over here you have dive shops in case you want to get some diving stuff. Again, shops here. Here you have many taxi boats. Okay, so you have these bars. You can buy a drink. They give you these buckets of alcohol which you can get. This is where you can get fruits, or if you want to get a fruit shake, then this is the place to come. Here you can get pizzas. Laundry service 60 baht. You can get them cheaper inside. You'll find different streets. So we have gelato, Italian gelato. This is the famous Barracuda dive shop. We have fruit shops, lots of Supreme and bags, bikinis. This is the famous Phi Phi bakery. This is a very nice place to chill, and the prices are very good. Everything's 30 baht, 40 baht. You can get ham and cheese here. These are paint shops again, where you can buy paintings. Paintings cost about 8,000 baht for a big one. Hello. You have a lot of these travel agency shops. Souvenirs. Okay, so from this point you go to the Viewpoint. Now the Viewpoint is a very treacherous trek up the hill. So if you're not really fit, don't think about it. So that's the Tonsai beach area. It's very beautiful.
Just show me the flag. There's 2 good dive sites and they go out like a. So it's a chance to get to know our
Tonsai seafood. Look at the view. So if you want to spend the afternoon, you can have a beer here or just have a good time in the evening. This place is the best in the evening. Afternoon's really hot. Yeah. So again, dive shops. Hi. Say hi. So there's dive shops here. So you can just go around over here. The viewpoint is this side, so I'm just going to go back. So this area is very Instagrammable. You want to get some nice pictures, this is the place to be. Also, if you want to get tattoos, this road is full of tattoo shops. So lots of small shops. Oh. Tattoos. You can get tattoos. Tattoo shops. Paintings. Tattoos, more tattoo shops. You can get a tattoo, a whole tattoo. You can get accessories. More accessories and t-shirts. I like these t-shirts, they're cute. Tommy figure. Do not come here early because everything opens very late. So if you want to get here early, just sit at the beach, don't come here. So lots of restaurants here. Bikini Shops, Pirate's House. If you want to exchange money, this is the places to come. This is the exchange place, and there's another exchange place over there that's cheaper. So these are the areas to come to. So these are all the dive shops. You can get mobile gear or waterproof casing for your shop. Sorry, not for your shop. What am I talking? For your mobile or for your GoPro. These are other restaurants, 7-Eleven, ATMs here. So this is the boxing place. You can get watch a Muay Thai fight or MMA kind of fighting. So little bars. This is a must come to in the night. 150 baht for this big bucket of alcohol. Vodka and juice is 50 baht. Over here you get good pizzas in the evening. You can pay 80 baht for pizza. These are dive shops here, scuba diving. You want to get your nails done, ladies, this is the place. Nails. And over here you got supermarkets. Again, more tattoo shops. Hey, hi. You say hi. Hey, what's up? More tattoo shops. The pharmacy. Over here is the, in case you want to get medication or anything, you can get the pharmacy here. Or they have the 24-hour work center. It's 20 meters away. So guys, just up there is the Viewpoint. You keep following this road, you reach the Viewpoint. They have some sculptures here, Indian sculptures. They have more restaurants here and cafes. This is a cool bar to come to, Dojo Bar here. Cheapest buckets on the island. 2 buckets only 300 baht. That's in. This is like the beer and party area. So there's lots of party places here. See pad thai and prices. The food. This is nice. This is called breakfast with friends. You can have like lots of stuff over here. This is like the souvenir street. This is heading back towards the beach. We're heading back. You have a lot of supermarkets over here, small restaurants. Bikini Shops. So this is alcohol. This is a big supermarket here. This is one of the biggest one on the island. Over here you have alcohol shops. Water, lots of water. Again, bikini shops. This whole lane is just like bikini shops and clothes. So I got some nice shorts here yesterday. You can get massage here. Cute kid. Hi, how are you? I bought some shorts from him yesterday. This is his shop. I got these shorts yesterday. These exact ones. They are very nice. So these are all food places. So food places, food restaurants, and you can book a boat from here. This is another cafe that you have here. You can buy some snacks if you like. Bagels and stuff like that. Bread, sandwiches. Again, more dive shops. Massage, you want to get your hair done like this, you can get your hair done.
Yeah.
This is the best thing in Thailand. You can get this bubble tea, which is really nice. If you want to get your hair done, again, here you go. this? Very good morning. Phi Phi Scuba Diving Center. So we are back to the main area. This is the diving center, a big one. This is like you can buy these flags for wherever you are from. Private taxi boats. If you want to get a taxi boat, you can get that one. These are the shops here. These are really good in case you want to go in the water. Cafe, this is a very popular one. The bakery. You can buy bags or anything you want here. Massage is a little more expensive. 300, half an hour 200. So these people are happy, they got their dive certificates, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. This is me signing out from Phi Phi Island. So thank you again for watching. Please do subscribe.